I'm back with another Let's Bleach My Hair adventure. If you're new here, a couple months ago I bleached my hair, tried to dye it red, it turned orange. I learned that's because all the red tones were stripped out and you can't go from bleach blonde to red because it just doesn't work that way. So I leaned into the blonde and I'm trying to go platinum. And this is like the fourth time I've done this. So if you're curious, you can go watch those other videos. But today I've got more Blue Flash bleach. I've got my 20 developer, got my gloves, and this time around I'm going to use this Blonde Brilliance Platinum Toner. Probably going to do this over the course of 2 days. Just make it easier on myself because right now it is like 10-11 p.m. So let's begin. As always, the ratio for the bleach is, I believe, what does it say? 1 scoop powder to 2 scoops developer. So one of these and then double up on the developer. So this is 1 ounce, so you need 2 ounces. I'm probably only going to need 1 of these. I bought 2 just in case, but all I have to do is my roots. And then hopefully the toner will make the roots match everything else. Fingers crossed. So let's blend this up real quick. I believe I've mentioned this in my past videos with these little cups, these little Tupperware, whatever it's called, Tupperware container. I don't know. I believe I've said this before, but these little containers right here are about 3 ounces, so just fill it a little bit less than this, and you should be good. Should have the consistency of kind of what looks like marshmallow fluff, but blue and non-edible. Please don't eat it. Don't be dumb. Kind of looks like it should be edible, but it's not. Probably kill you. Just don't even try. So we start on the top and the bottom. Let's go with the bottom. Alright, don't forget your gloves. You won't forget your gloves. Always go up a size in gloves. Last time I bought a small and they were way too tight, but these mediums fit way better, way more comfortably. Okay, let's begin. I don't know how other people manage to do the back of their hair so well, but I always seem to miss a spot or two. Even when using a mirror, it's a little difficult, but you just gotta deal with it and try your best. I'm using my fingers for this because it's just easier than a brush. My ear itches. Now on to the next layer, right on the next layer. That is a look. Now this This ear itches. Bleach is kind of itchy. It actually doesn't itch my scalp really. Not most of the time. Right now anyway, it's just itching my ears. If it ever burns unbearably so, you should probably rinse it out and not use it. Will I ever get this done at a salon? No. I do it at a salon and you can do it yourself. I've had more compliments on this blonde hair of mine than I've ever had with any other hair practically. My hair's been red for like a decade, some version of red, dark red, mostly like a natural red, you know. No one really cared or said anything about it. Not that I do it for other people, but still. This blonde, though, everyone seems to like a lot. And I take that as a sign. It obviously looks good. So I must know kind of what I'm doing. These layers obviously aren't even, but I don't care. I'll just stick. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It will be just fine. Always go back in and do it again. No big deal. No big deal. It's not a big deal. Okay, I did the top layer of my hair. I forgot to film it. It's the same concept, you know, just put the bleach in, kind of rub it in, make sure it's on the top layer and the bottom layer, and you're good to go. Now we're gonna wait like 30 minutes. Rinse it out. I missed a spot. We're gonna wait for my hair to dry. We're gonna do it again, just in the spots I missed. Probably missed some spots because I always do whatever. See you real soon.
Later.
1 a.m. This has been in my hair for too long. Let's take off this turban towel, whatever you call it. Let's see if I did it right. Some of this still looks a little darker on the edges. Maybe I'll fix that tomorrow. Definitely just gonna brush this and go to sleep. Or wake up tomorrow and then deal with it then. But I think most of it looks okay. I'm hoping the toner takes the yellow out and makes it all one platinum color. It says it's a platinum toner, so that's what it's supposed to do, right? Why is it so high? Why are you so high? That's better. Better. Like that. I'm seeing some little bits at the root here and there that might need some more bleach, like right there. But right there. But it's mostly okay, I think. It doesn't seem that bad. So we'll wait for it to air dry and I'll see you again tomorrow, or for you 1.5 seconds. Bye.
The next day.
It is 7:30 the next night. I'm multitasking right now, watching my nephews while they take a bath. So hopefully you can hear me. So I got most of it. There was about 1.5 inches probably of roots. When I covered most of them, there's just some in the back, right against the scalp that still needs to be covered. It's kind of hard to do it because it's hard to separate my hair, especially when it's short, and really get it even. I'm bad at that in general, but even worse when it's short. So let's try this again. Shouldn't take that long. Okay, I'm back. It's like 1 a.m. I think, 1:30 a.m. on Saturday morning, and I'm finally going to tone my hair. I want to get this done today or tonight because, well, today, October 1st, Saturday, October 1st is my grandma's funeral, and I want to look nice for her. She was a lovely woman who was always dressed to the nines, always had perfect hair, perfect makeup, perfect clothes, and I just want to get this done so I can look nice for her. I don't care what anyone thinks of me, but I want to look good for her. And I'm going to be sad toning my hair. So if anyone has some happy thoughts, what makes you happy? Songs, movies, TV shows, books? Let me know. I'm going to watch Buffy while I do this to distract myself so I don't cry. Because I'm going to be crying a lot in a couple of hours. Okay, not to depress anyone watching this, not to bring down the whole video, but I need to get this done. So I've never used this brand before. I got it because it was like the most affordable one. Most of them are like $10, $9, $10. This was only like $5 or $6. I know I'm cheap, whatever. Let's see what the directions say. This is not in English, this side is in English. Alright, it says in a non-metallic bowl, mix 1 part of Blonde Brilliance Perfect Blonde Ammonia-Free Toner and 1 part Blonde Brilliance Cream Oil Infusion Developer. I don't have their developer. I don't think Sally Beauty had it. I actually looked for it and I couldn't find it, so we're just gonna keep using the Salon Care. Hopefully it doesn't matter. Stir well for 20 seconds. Apply directly to towel dried hair or dry hair for more color intensity. Depending on the volume developer, I guess, you can leave it on your hair for 5 to 25 minutes. We're just probably going to do the 25. We'll see how that goes. Alright, so it's a 1-to-1 ratio, right? Yeah. So this is 2.05 ounces. So 1-to-1 would be 2.05 to 2.05. Where'd my little bowl go? Where'd my little bowl go? Oh, I'll find it in a minute. Let's open this up with the end of this and squeeze it into my bowl, and then I'm gonna have to find the little bowl for the developer. Did you hear that? Doesn't really smell like much of anything. I'll be right back. I'm gonna find a little bowl for the developer. Once again, these are around 3 ounces, I believe. That's what I said last time. Last time I used a kitchen scale to measure it, but I can just eyeball it now since we already know it's around 3 ounces. Good enough? Does that look like 2.05 ounces? Who knows? Last time with the bleach anyway, I started on the bottom. I did that, I don't know if that's the right thing to do, but I do that so my roots don't wind up super white while the rest of my hair is a different color, you know? But for this one, we're going to start at the top and work our way down. I hope for the best. Okay, that looks nice and blended. And so inappropriate. Oh, Beth. By the way, I'm not completely dry underneath and in the back, but it did say you could put it on damp hair, and it is kind of damp. So maybe once I get to the bottom, the underneath layers, it'll be more dry. But let us begin. And hopefully I don't need more than one of these bottles. Because if I do, well, I am screwed. Because I cannot run to Sally Beauty's in a couple of hours. Because I got things to do. This is supposed to be a platinum blonde toner, I think. It didn't really show me what color it was supposed to be on the website, so it said platinum blonde, so I'm assuming that means what I think it means, right? Okay, I'm gonna put Buffy on and try to cheer myself up just a little bit while I finish this up. I'm watching season 4, episode 12. This is the season with Riley and the Initiative. Have you guys ever watched Buffy? Okay, this took me about almost an entire Buffy episode. It was about 40 minutes. I don't know how long it takes most people to put dye or toner or bleach in their hair, but it takes me a while. What about you? Now I'm gonna wait like 25 minutes and hopefully all of it is one even tone. There's a little bit left over if I need it. Hopefully I don't need it. Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna wait 30 minutes and then I'm gonna take a shower and then I'll be right back. Okay, here we go. It's Saturday afternoon, 2 p.m. I washed out my hair last night, let it air dry, and this is the final result. I will say, I don't know why the underneath got more purpley, silvery than the top, but I do like it. And so it looks way more of the same color from top to bottom, and I think it looks good. I like the color. I wish maybe it was more of this color on top. We're getting closer to the bleach blonde perfection that I aim for, but I think it looks great. Okay, thank you for watching and wish me luck today, because I'm gonna need it.